Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to apply for cabbage loans during off seasons. This is a crucial topic for business owners who face seasonal fluctuations in revenue. Whether you run a retail store, a landscaping business, or a seasonal service, understanding how to navigate cabbage loan application process during your off season can help you to keep your business running smoothly when cash flow is tight. Now let's break it down. The first step, understand the Kabbage loan options. Now, first, let's make sure you're familiar with Kabbage loan options. Kabbage provides line of credit and short-term loans which are available to small businesses once you meet the eligibility criteria. Unlike traditional bank loans, these loans are flexible and Kabbage doesn't require a detailed business plan or extensive paperwork. But how does this help during the off season? Now, when your business is experiencing lower revenue, you can access a line of credit to cover operational costs, to pay staffs, or to purchase inventory for the busy season ahead. Step 2, gather your business documents. Now, before you apply, you want to make sure that you have all the necessary documents at hand. Kabbage simplifies the loan process, but you will still need the following. You're going to need bank statements from the past 3 months, tax returns or financial statements, as well as business IDs and legal documents. Now, you will be asked if you to provide these documents when applying, so having them ready will make the process a lot faster. Step 3, log into your Kabbage dashboard. Now, log into your Kabbage account at kabbage.com, or you can do so through the Kabbage mobile app. And if you're a returning customer, simply enter your login credentials. But if you're new, you're going to need to create a new account. Now, once logged in, head to the loans or credit line section of the dashboard to apply. Step 4, check your eligibility. Now, Kabbage makes it easy to check whether you qualify for a loan by asking you a few simple questions about your business and financial status. While eligibility for a Kabbage loan isn't based solely on seasonal revenue, lenders will want to see that your business has a history of revenue and that you can handle repayments. Even during your off season, if business has been operating for a few months or more and has a steady customer base, you should be eligible for a loan. Step 5, apply for the loan. Now, once you're ready, click the apply button and follow the prompts to enter your business detail. You will need to provide your bank account information, monthly revenues, and answer a few questions regarding the purpose of the loan. For off-season loans, be specific about why you need the loan. You might say something like, I need funds to cover operational expenses during the off-season, or you could say, this loan will help me pay for marketing and inventory for the upcoming busy season. Now, Kabbage will review your application quickly, often within minutes, and will let you know how much you are eligible to borrow. Step 6, accept the loan offer. Now, once your loan application is approved, Kabbage will present you with an offer. This will include the loan amount, the repayment terms, as well as fees. Review the offer carefully. If you're happy with the terms, accept the loan and have the funds deposited directly into your business bank account. Step 7, use the funds wisely. Now, once you have the loan funds in your account, make sure to use them wisely to cover any off-season expenses or prepare for the busy season ahead. This might include paying staff wages, stocking up on inventory, or marketing campaigns to promote your business. Remember that Kabbage loans must be repaid according to the terms that you agreed on, so use the funds with your future revenue in mind. Step 8, manage loan repayment. Now, Kabbage offers flexible repayment terms, but you will still need to ensure that you have enough cash flow to make your monthly payments. If you're still in the off season and cash flow is low, consider making only the minimum payments until your business picks up again. You can always make early payments or adjust your repayment within your Kabbage accounts. A bonus tip is, if you find yourself struggling to repay during the off season, you want to contact Kabbage support. Now, they might be able to offer assistance to work out a more manageable payment plan to help you through the lean months. And that's it. Applying for a Kabbage loan during the off season is all about being prepared and using the funds wisely. With a Kabbage line of credit, you can ensure that your business stays afloat and ready for the next busy season. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with the other business owners who might find this financial support during their off seasons. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.